Manipulation rarely comes with fangs. It arrives like roses in the dark, soft, sweet, and laced with something unseen. It dresses itself in care, in protection, in, "I just want what's best for you." But behind the soft voice, there's a hand tightening its grip. It is not always easy to recognize, because sometimes we want to believe it is love, when in truth, it's a performance of love designed to control. So let us slow down, breathe deeply, and walk through the signs that a heart is being played, not protected. 1. Gaslighting in disguise. You're being too sensitive. That's not what I said. You're remembering wrong. This is not a disagreement. It is a quiet rewriting of your reality, one sentence at a time. The manipulator doesn't scream. They erase until you start erasing yourself. The Stoic truth. Hold fast to your memory even when someone else is trembling with denial. Love listens. Control rewrites. If you lose trust in your mind, ask who benefits. 2. Delayed guilt traps. After everything I've done for you, said when you finally set a boundary, gratitude should never be held like a weapon. When someone recalls past kindness to manipulate the present, it is no longer kindness. It is debt collection disguised as love. The Stoic truth. True giving is free. It does not come with invisible contracts. Gifts given with strings are not gifts. They are traps. 3. Silent treatments with sharp edges. No texts, no eye contact, just ice. And then warmth, sweetness, confusion. They disappear and then return with affection, leaving you desperate for their warmth, addicted to their approval. This is not communication. It is conditioning. The Stoic truth. Silence used to punish is cruel. Love does not train, it teaches. If affection feels like a prize you must earn, it is not love. It is manipulation dressed in charm. 4. Projection as distraction. You're the one who's controlling. Spoken by the actual controller. The manipulator accuses you of the very things they are doing. They wear your fears like costumes to deflect attention from their behavior. Suddenly, you're apologizing, and you're not even sure why. The Stoic truth. Let words pass through the filter of actions. If the accusation feels off, trust that inner echo. When someone makes you defend your heart more than they protect it, step back. 5. Overwhelming intensity. Early on. You're my soulmate. I've never felt this way before. We're meant to be. Within days. Love that moves too fast is often not love. It's strategy. It sweeps you up in a flood of compliments, promises, fantasies. Not to love you, but to trap you in emotional dependency. Before you can see clearly. The Stoic truth. True love flows like a river, not a flash flood. It builds, it grounds, it doesn't drown. Intensity is not intimacy, and speed is not proof of depth. 6. Shifting boundaries. You were okay with this yesterday. Why are you being weird now? A manipulator confuses your antinomies by referencing your past, yes, but you are allowed to evolve. You are allowed to change your mind. This tactic is about control, not consistency. The Stoic truth. Boundaries are not walls. They are living, breathing signals of your soul. Anyone who cannot respect their change cannot be trusted with their presence. Love that ignores your growth is not love, it's ownership. 7. Making you feel crazy for feeling. You're overthinking it. You always make things a big deal. This is the slowest destruction of self-trust. Your emotions are real, Your instincts are messengers, but the manipulator cannot let you believe in your own gut, because then they lose control. So they make you question the very compass inside you. The Stoic truth: no one should shame you for feeling deeply. Feeling is not a flaw, it is evidence of presence. If they want your silence more than your truth, speak louder. Final reflection: a call back to the self. Not all chains are metal. Some come in words, some in flattery, some in silence. Some come disguised as love, but are really control wearing perfume. Do not be fooled by the softness of manipulation. True love does not need to trick you into staying. The Stoic lover does not control, confuse, or corner. They honor your clarity. They welcome your number. They are safe, not perfect, but safe. So if you feel twisted, disoriented, unsure if you're the problem, pause. Look at the patterns. Ask your heart, not just your history. And above all, choose peace over performance. Choose freedom over fear. Choose love that never asks you to shrink. From a soul who learned the difference between affection and manipulation the hard way, and will never forget it.